Hello and welcome to a new VinPilot tutorial. Today we want to show you how easy it is to install the VinPilot software on your computer. After you have downloaded the VinPilot installer, open the folder. Double-click on the file VinPilot installer to start the installation. You will be guided through the installation menu. The installation window opens. If no database has been installed yet, we have to install the database first by clicking on the button Install Database. Now follow the installation menu. A password must now be entered. This password is used to connect the VinPilot software correctly and uniquely to the database. This password has nothing to do with a later login into the software. Please enter here as password VinPilot in the notation shown here and confirm with enter. The database will now be installed on your computer. As soon as this step is finished, we will start with the installation of the actual VinPilot software. For the identification with the database, we are now asked again for the password for the database. Here we have to enter the previously defined password again. Now we can choose if we want to install without existing data or if data from a previous installation is already available, for example, from a backup. Since this is now a new installation, we select the left button. For the installation without existing data, the installation starts. The database is initialized. We click on Next. Here we can select the installation directory and then start the installation. Depending on the computer, the installation takes 1.5 to 2 minutes. With a click on Launch VinPilot, we start the software in the browser. The software can be run in all common browsers. To do this, simply enter localhost 8080 in the browser. If you want to launch the software from another computer in the same network, enter in the browser the IP address of the computer on which the software is installed and 8080. The login window opens. Enter as user, admin. Enter the password, VinPilot 2021, $. Don't forget to change your password in the user settings. You have now successfully installed the VinPilot software and can start the setup.